Starting a fire in harsh conditions can be frustrating, but having the right fire starter makes all the difference. The Quick Survive. Quick Light Fire Starter is an all-weather, waterproof solution designed to ignite instantly, even in rain, snow, or strong winds. Made from a proprietary blend of oil and wax, it burns like a wick, ensuring a quick and reliable flame for campfires, fire pits, charcoal grills, fireplaces, and emergencies. Compact, lightweight, and non-combustible for safe storage, this fire starter is trusted for survival situations, outdoor adventures, and everyday use. Whether tailgating, camping, or preparing for emergencies, Quick Light makes fire starting effortless, ensuring you stay warm, cook food, and create light whenever needed. A reliable utility knife is an essential tool for precision cutting, durability, and everyday convenience. The Alloy X Thunder Titanium Utility Knife combines cutting-edge design with premium materials to deliver a high-performance tool built for versatility. Crafted from lightweight, yet ultra-durable titanium alloy, it features a flipper and thumb stud opening for smooth deployment, a secure liner lock, and a deep carry clip for easy portability. The carbon fiber inlay adds elegance, while the tritium vial slot enhances visibility in low light conditions. Designed for lasting sharpness, this utility knife is perfect for crafting, cutting, and daily tasks. With a quick blade-changing mechanism, Thunder Titanium is the ultimate tool for precision and functionality. Reliable and powerful lighting is essential for outdoor adventures, safety, and everyday tasks. The FitOrt K2 Hardcore Brightness Flashlight delivers an impressive 1000 lumens with 5 brightness modes, ensuring clear, even illumination for any situation. Designed with aerospace aluminum and titanium alloy options, it is both durable and lightweight. Featuring 2 high-performance white lights and 20 vibrant auxiliary light effects, it functions as a bike light, headlamp, camping light, or night running light. Its multifunctional two-way clip allows for versatile carrying, while the 20-hour strong battery ensures long-lasting performance. With power indication functionality and a sleek, compact design, the FitOrt K2 is the ultimate lighting tool for any adventure. Keeping food safe from wildlife is crucial for any outdoor adventure. The Selkirk Design Food Hanging System provides a simple and effective solution to securely suspend food away from hungry predators. This complete hanging system includes a rock sock, carabiners, and color-coded ropes, making it easy to set up in just minutes. Using a pulley system with a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage, lifting food bags becomes effortless. The green rope raises the first carabiner, while the orange rope lifts the food. Designed for backpackers, campers, and hikers, this system ensures that food stays high, secure, and safe from bears and scavengers, allowing outdoor enthusiasts to enjoy nature without worry. Cooking outdoors shouldn't mean carrying bulky, heavy gear. The IT Cooking Set is the world's smallest complete cooking kit, collapsing to just 1 inch thick and fitting in your pocket. Made from hardened surgical stainless steel, this 15-piece set is incredibly sturdy, yet ultra-compact. The Lidl acts as both a griddle and heat-retaining lid, while the bare-bones stove functions as a grill, stove, and pot stand. The Eaton card combines 10 functions, including spatulas, fork, peelers, and tongs, eliminating the need for plastic utensils. A food-safe cutting board completes the set, making outdoor cooking lightweight, efficient, and hassle-free for campers, hikers, and survivalists.